Guys and gals, friends and pals, what's going on? It's your boy olkellz. We coming back with another video. Can y'all guess where I'm at? About that time, we're gonna tackle us some wiring. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get all the notifications, because you never know what kind of stupidity I'm coming up with next. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at olkellz, the same as this YouTube channel. Now y'all wouldn't believe this. This is 2 days post Houston freezing over. By the time y'all see this video, it might be a week or so late. This bad baby has been sitting in the cold lonely. But we could have tear into it, guys. I've got to get this wiring done so we can get this thing on the road, because we're trying to make it for Texas 2K. And if you know anything about that, you know what that means. What you got going on over here, buddy?
What's up, man?
What you doing?
Cleaning nasty shit.
Sounds fun. What does that go? What could that possibly be? What's going on? Chris, somebody stole your wheels. I can see through to the other side. What happened? What is this? What's going on? There's a wheel. Things are missing. What is this? What does this thing do?
I said for the first time, your car's more together than mine is.
You know what else is more together than yours? One of these. All right, y'all. So first order of operation, what we're going to do, I'm gonna drop my steering column down, and I'm gonna take the harness here, and I'm gonna run it back across the top of that, so that'll help lift all of that mess up. And then try to bring my my lights or my switches here and put them back in the factory locations, which I haven't decided if I'm going to put a vent back here or even those over there. I might do something different with it. I don't know just yet, but we're going to take this bolt out, and it's 2 bolts here. We're going to take those out, drop it down. I got to unscrew this one and then bring it across the top, and then we're going to try to get everything buttoned up like that. I forgot about this bullshit here. You have to have a ratchet to undo these bad boys, and it's a 7mm socket to get this, and a 13 to get these off of the steering column. I'll let you guys know that, save you guys the trouble of going back and forth trying to figure it out. Alright, y'all, so that was a change of everything. Ended up having to get that focused. Ended up having to take the dasher loose, because those wires aren't gonna cooperate right. So the whole entire dash has to come out just to get those to go over. I mean, it's just a bolt there. It's like 6 across the top, I think. Yeah, 6 across the top, little screws, and 1 over there. And you'll have it out. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. So, with that being said, I'm just gonna take the dash. Well, mine's easy because I got it kind of cut for everything. I'm just gonna take it out and put those wires over the top and set it back in. All right, so the wiring is where it's supposed to be. Make sure you put it back behind this little box here. I don't even know what that one's for. I ain't even gonna call it a little box. It's a plug-in for something. I'm not exactly sure what, and I'm not actually looking for it right now. But just make sure you get your wiring back behind that, so therefore your steering column can actually go up. See, steering column's all the way up, so we'll make it work. And I'm gonna get the dash back in and get this all buttoned up and continue on. All right, so we got it back in. Even got the fuse box back over here on the side. I'm about to get ready to zip tie most of that up and get it out of the way. So next order operation is get on this side, and I'm going to fix my holly. I want to put it back there on the firewall, but my catch can is on the other side, and in order to do so, I'd have to get some self-tapping screws. I don't know. I'm going to try to put it back in there somewhere. So there's been a change of plans. Me and Chris are about to do something else. Get rid of all this excess stuff leave the main harness in because it controls a lot of the other stuff that we need, and we don't feel like trying to make it work, like the windows and the headlights and all kind of other stuff like that. We just don't want to redo all of that. So what we're going to do is take it loose, make it a keyed source, because apparently the keyed source is jumping from the Holly to there, and we don't like the setup of it. So we're gonna put our own taste on it, but we're gonna change that, make it work, and then start to remove a lot of stuff. But first and foremost, all of this little extra stuff, it's going. All right, so the genius has figured it out. What are we doing here, Chris?
Well, being that this is a keyed ignition wire right here, we can plug that back into the fuse block, run our hot from this prong over to run our bus bar, and it'll be our keyed hot for the bus bar, and then we can run a fuse right here with it.
That wire.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I see what you're saying. Mr. Christopher here is making a template because he's going to cut that out to match that, so I can keep my original little trim piece, whatever the hell it's called, there. He's going to take that to work and machine a piece of aluminum for me. So what's happening is Chris is making a template out of cardboard, and it's a rendering, and he's a perfectionist. See what I mean? And he's going to take it to work and put it on the machine. Now y'all see what I mean? Look at him. Making sure. He's like he's making a scientific equation. Making sure. Look. And all he had to do was get a nail or even a screw. Now he wants to use a whole drill. Drilling holes. Okay. Look at that. Perfection.
That's gonna be aluminum, not cardboard.
I might like the cardboard. Say the hell with it. That's beautiful. It's the kind of friend I got. So guys, this is what it's gonna look like. Gotta give Chris his credit where credit's due. He's gonna go use his mill and get it perfected. And my switches are gonna go up top, and we might end up cutting a bottom piece, and I might put a radio there. I don't know yet. Or I might put the switches at the bottom. Hey, I might put the switches at the bottom and put the radio up top. Either way.
Switch is gonna be in the way with your shifter.
No.
Like, just keep in mind, you're gonna have your hand right here.
Yeah.
You don't want to have it hit your switches.
I don't fat finger like that. I grab it like this. I actually grab it like this.
It's just something to keep in mind.
Yeah, but think about
I'll
it.
put them wherever you want.
Look.
That's up to you, man.
Think about it. Whatever that was. Oh, ain't shit in there. Look, most of the time when I'm grabbing it, it'll be in this position.
It's whatever you want to do. I'll put them wherever you want.
And then, see, even reverse, I'm not even gonna be touching it. And this is my line lock here. So I don't think I'd ever accept when I put it in park. And if I accidentally hit it when I'm putting it in park, oh well, I'm already stopped most of the time anyway.
I'll do wherever you want, man.
I don't know. That's just something to think about. We'll figure it out. This is the huge sheet of aluminum we have. Might have went a little overboard. When I said, hey Chris, can we use some aluminum? Yeah, we can always use aluminum. Well, you know, might have went a little crazy. But we'll use it all. What are you doing now, Chris?
Tracing this out so I can cut it up.
You making a little Tracy trace?
A little Tracy trace.
A little Tracy trace. Okay. Well, guys, he's going to trace it out. And I guess just cut that whole little corner off and take that to work. And do it on there.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's what he's going to do, guys. Now, y'all see that? Watch how magic this is. Crikey, what do we have there, Chrissy?
Aluminum plate, that looks good.
Look at that.
Perfect. Clean all this chicken shit tape off of it, polish it, look good.
Works for me. Alright, so this is just a little product that Chris made. I say it looks pretty good for what it is. I like it. So anyway, I don't know, guys. I need y'all to decide for me. Should I put my switches down here or up here? I don't know. We'll see. Alright, y'all. So I'm in this video now. It's a hot Sunday. We got stuff to do. I'm just giving y'all a little update. We're getting a little farther along on the car. We ain't gonna stop building on it. Well, I ain't gonna say building on it. We're not gonna stop messing with it until we get it to our liking, or at least his liking. He's the perfectionist. I'm just like, fuck it, it's good enough. But anyway, as always, guys, sprinkle a little love on the channel. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Go on over to Facebook and Instagram and follow me at olkellz. Y'all have a good one. Be easy.